Alright, welcome to this video. So on this video I'm going to be teaching you how to open your Noun email. For those of you at the National Open University, you're going to learn how to open your email seamlessly. If you're finding it difficult to log into your Noun email, this is the video you need to watch. So first of all, you're going to open your browser, your Google Chrome. And once it's open, just click on the three dots at the top right corner, the three dots at the top right corner. And once you click on it, you're going to see new incognito tab. All right, then click on it. And once you have clicked on it, on the search bar at the top, just type in email login. Email login, okay? And once you've typed email login, click on sign in to continue to Gmail. Just click on it, and here you'll be asked to enter your email. So you're going to enter your Noun email here, your NOU. I'm going to kind of cover my own for some reasons. All right, once you entered your email, for instance, this is your email, and you're going to put in your password. You're going to put in your password, okay? I'm going to put in your password. I'm sure you have put in your password. You're going to put in your password, and once you have put in your password, you click on next. All right. So once you click on next, this is the next page you're going to see. Please pay attention because this page is very sensitive. You see at the bottom you are saying open the Gmail app. Please do not click on that. Once you click on it, it's going to direct you back to your Gmail app, and you are going to face the same challenge of not being able to see your emails or log in to your Noun email properly. So what are we going to do now? We are going to click on the use the web version below the open the Gmail app. Okay, you're saying it at the bottom, just at the bottom, the left corner at the bottom. You're saying use the web version. So we're going to click on use the web version. All right, so let's click on that now, and then your email is going to open. Now this is it. Once you click on it, your email is going to open, and you're going to be able to view all messages in your Noun email. If this video was helpful, please kindly subscribe, like, and share to other National Open University students, all right, so that they learn how to open their email. So in case you want to go back to your normal browsing, all you need to do is to click on this tab at the top, and then you click on this D. You go back to your normal tabs, right? The normal tabs where you browse, and when you want to access your email, you just click on the same tab here, and then you click on the next symbol here, which starts that looks like a heart and a logo. Just click on it, and it's going to take you to your incognito tab, and you're going to see your email open right here. And if, for instance, you made a mistake, you close your Chrome, here's what you need to do. Just repeat the steps I showed you, and you're going to find your email. You'll be able to access your email. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.